Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a quick look at the Kobalt 20-gallon oil-free 175 max PSI air compressor. I just took it out of the box. We have the box there. What came in the box was the air compressor. Here it is. Got the power cord. It is 120 volt, oil-free, 20-gallon, 4 SCFM at 90 psi, 175 max psi, 1.3 horsepower running, limited 1-year warranty guarantee on this. Over here we have the tank pressure regulator, the on and off switch, the toe pressure gauge, and the 2 hose quick connects there. It also came with the owner's manual. Tells you how to plug it in. So I'm on page 11 here. This is how it tells you to break it in. Check and tighten all the bolts, fittings. Turn the pressure knob D, which is this one. Right? Clockwise to open the airflow. So let's do that. So it says, see, and it was already all the way open. That's all the way closed. Clockwise. That way. Make sure it's in off position. Plug in the power cord. Open the drain valve completely. Turn the compressor on. And run the air compressor for 10 minutes to break in the parts. Turn it off. And close the drain valve. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish taking out of the plastic. I'm going to tighten up any of the fittings that need to be tightened up. Check these here. I don't know of any other fittings that would need to be tightened, but I'll check them, like maybe on the tires. And once I get that, I'll come back, turn it on for you. Okay, I'm back. Check the fittings. Everything seemed to be tight. I have it plugged in directly to an outlet. Off switch is there. It's in off position. So what it says to do now, open this. And there's a little bit of air pressure in there already. Just a little bit of moisture. Good thing, not too much. So we have the gauges here. We have this little plastic. We have one on this side as well. Let's see if I could get that to come off. Let's see if we could do it all in one. See if we could get this all in one shot. There we go. Sorry about the camera. I'm holding it, trying to do it at the same time. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice sight glass there. It looks nice, don't it? Let's see if we could do the same thing with this one. Just gotta find a spot to start it from. Boy, that's satisfying. Okay, so what it says to do now, turn it on, and let it run for 10 minutes to break it out. So let's turn it on and see how loud it is. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, a couple minutes longer. That's the break-in period, is what they say, 10 minutes. So, there it is. First impressions. It's loud. It's a little loud. Not gonna lie. But, it is a 20-gallon. So it shouldn't have to fill up as often when you're working with it. If you had a smaller, maybe 10-gallon, 8-gallon, and you were doing some stuff with air tools around the house, your tank might have to fill up a little more often because it has smaller air capacity. I like it so far. It's not too bad. It's gonna work for type of stuff I do around the house. What I do like though is this 1-year guarantee. It says limited. We'll have to see what that's all about. Let's see, what else could I show you about this? Here's your air filter right here. And that just unscrews like so. Right, there's your air filter. In there, you can see it. It screws in there. Switch hands real fast, sorry. There's that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna close this all the way. Tells you drain your tank every day to prevent corrosion, right? Because if you leave this full of air down here, it's gonna build up with water because there is moisture in air. So I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna see how long it takes to fill up. All right, so it just filled up. It took about 10 minutes. Not too bad. There's the pressure there. It says 175 max PSI. It's about 175. Has a gauge for the tool pressure. So there it is. Tell you what else I bought for this. I got this Kobalt 18-piece set. I think it was $20 at Lowe's. It comes with a blowgun, a dual end tire chuck, and a tire gauge. Comes with some Teflon plumber's tape. And it comes with all these little fittings. 1/4-inch coupler, that's this one. Safety adapter right there. Rubber tip, that's a blow tip as well. Tapered tip, this one. And the needle for filling up basketballs, footballs, all your sports balls. Comes with a quick connector right here, this one. 2 1/4-inch plugs. And this is the female end, right there. 2 1/4-inch plugs with the male end. Here's the male end here. And one more quick connector. So it comes with 2 of these quick connectors and 1/4-inch couplers, 2 of them. And I also went down to Harbor Freight and picked up this 3/8-inch 100-foot PVC air hose by Diablo. It says it's kink proof collar. This is for light use. I don't plan on doing too much heavy duty stuff here at the house. This, I believe, was also $20 at Harbor Freight. So there you go. And they also have medium and heavy use air hoses as well. So I'm gonna open it all up, get everything connected, and we'll check it out. Alright, so I opened everything up. It also came with this carrying case, this little bag. All your connectors, adapters, whatnot. So what I did, put some Teflon on this end. And the way, sorry about that. The way that you put the Teflon in is you go the same way as you tighten. So you go around this way, because when I put on this end, I'm going to put the quick connect. It tightens this way, and as you tighten, it's going to pull that tape tighter. Okay, so I'm going to get a couple wrenches. I'm going to tighten this on. I'm going to put some Teflon on this end, and we'll get that adapter on there as well. Alright, so I put the little fitting that goes from there into there, Teflon that up, put it in, showing tool pressure. It's at 100 psi. See? Turn the little regulator there. To lower that tool pressure. And my air hose. Want that at 90, preferably, right? Most air tools work at 90. See the air tank? It's going down, hasn't kicked on yet. So there it is. There's the setup. I have 100 feet, I mean, might have been a little overkill, but I have 100 feet of it and it's pushing out. You know, it's pushing out 100 pounds of PSI through 100 foot of this hose. There you go. There it is. I'll have to own it for a couple years, at least a year, before I give you guys a if you should buy it or not. But for anybody that's looking into buying this, here's the Kobalt 20-gallon oil-free air compressor. We'll see how it holds up. For me, it's just gonna be here in the garage. I'll probably hook up a paint sprayer to it. You know, so when I do the kitchen cabinets, I could spray those cabinets instead of trying to get into all the designs and crevices of the cabinet. I'll just be able to, you know, go over it with some paint like that and knock that out of the way. I'll use it for the truck and for the car tires. Need to wash that bad boy, it's dirty. Let me know what you guys think. Leave any comments or anything else you guys want me to show you about this. I'm going to read some more of the manual. And in about a year I'll come back with a review and let you guys know if I like it or not. But for now, here you guys go. Oh yeah, also one more thing. Right there. That's a quick release valve for some, if you need to release some air pressure. But always at the end of the day, drain your air pressure out from the bottom there. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.